Hello, you're welcome. And today's video we'll be looking at highest common factor, which is also known as HCF. Before I go further to solve these examples on the board, I want to explain what is a factor. A factor of factors, they are number that can divide a particular number without remainder. For example, if you're asked to list the factors of 6, the numbers that can divide 6 without a remainder, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 6. These are the numbers that can divide 6, and they are called the factors of 6. Now, what is common factors? Taking for instance, after listing the factors of 6, we can also list the factors of 9, which is 1, which is 3, and what? And 9. So these are the factors that can divide 9 without remainder. When they say common now, common factors are 1 and 1. They are common. What you can see in 6, you can also see in 9. We have 3 and we have 3. So these are the common factors are 1 and 3. Now, when they say the highest common factor, that is the numbers that can both divide 6 and that can also divide 9, that is among the common and that is the highest. That's what they're trying to say. But there's a quick way in which a child can solve or get the highest common factor of a number. Let's take for instance, we are asked to find the highest common factor of the following numbers. We have 4, 6, and 8. Now the first number is 4. Let's quickly pick 4 and use factors to divide. For 4, 2 can divide 4, it will give us 2. 2 can divide 2, it will give us 1. Likewise 6. 2 can divide 6, it will give us 3. And 3 can divide 3, it will give us 1. For 8, we have 2, it will give us 4. We have 2, it will give us 2. We have 2, it will give us 1. After dividing these numbers, for 4, what number do we use in dividing? We start from 1. Every number, 1 is a factor of every number. So we must start with 1. Now, these numbers that we have here is 2 multiplied by 2. Then for 6, we pick 6, we start with 1. We have 2 multiplied by 3. Then for 8, we start with 1 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. Now, the HCF, therefore, the HCF of this number is equals to, now, we have 1 here, we have 1 here, we have 1 here. So we pick 1, because 1 cut across all of them. Before you pick the number must appear in 4, 6, and 8. And looking at it, 1, there's 1 here, there's 1 here, there's 1 here. Okay, we have 2 here again, we have 2, we have 2. So we have 2, we pick 2. We have 2 here. We don't have 2 again. No, we don't have 2. Do we have 2 here? Yes, but we don't pick it because there's no more 2 under 6. Here too, there's 2 here. There's 2 here, no 2 here. But there's 3 under 6. There's no 3 here. There's no 3 here. We don't pick it. So the highest common factor is 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So the highest common factor of 4, 6, and 8 is 2. Now quickly, let's look at number 2. We have 18. 18 is an even number. It can be divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. 9 is an odd number, so 3 can divide it. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. We are done with 18. Then for 24, we have 24 is an even number. It can be divided by 2. So 2 into 24, it will give us 12. 12 is an even number. 2 into 12, it will give us 6. 2 into 6 is 3. And 3 into 3 is 1. For 36, 36 is an even number as well. So 2 into 36 is 18. 2 into 18 is 9. 3 into 9 is 3. 3 into 3 is 1. Now, we pick the first number, which is 18. We start with 1, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. For 24, we pick 1 first, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 3. Then for 36, we pick 1, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Therefore, the HCF of this number or numbers, we have 1, we have 1 here, we have 1 here. Since 1 cut across all the numbers, we pick 1. I have 2 here, there's 2 here, there's 2 here. So we pick 2 as well. Okay, we have 3 here. Do we have 3 here? Yes. We have 3 here. We have 3 here. So we pick 3. We have another 3 here. Do we have 3 here? Remain no 3. And we have 3 here. So we don't pick 3 again. So we have 2 here. We have 2 here. But we don't have 2 here. We don't pick it. So our answer is 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So the highest common factor of 18, 24, and 36 is 6. Let's quickly look at number 3 on the board, which we have for HCF of 3, 7, and 9. So first of all, pick 3. 3 can divide 3, which will give us 1. So for 7, we have 7 divided by 7, it will give us 1. Then for 9, is 3 into 9 is 3. 3 into 3 is 1. Now let's pick the first number. For 3, we only have 1 multiplied by 3. Then for 7, we have 1 multiplied by 7. Then for 9, we have 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. From our indication, we have 1 here, we have 1 here, we have 1 here. So HCF is equal to 1 multiplied by, we have 3 here. Do we have 3 here? No. But we have 3 here. We don't pick it. The 3 must appear in all the 3 numbers before we pick it. There's 7 here, no 7 here, no 7 here. Therefore, our HCF is only 1. Because that's the only one that cut across all the 3 numbers. Then the last one we have here, we have 56. 2 into 2, 56 an even number. Let's pick the number because this number looks a bit heavy. So 2 into 5, it will enter 2, remainder 1. Place the 1 behind 6, it becomes 16. 2 into 16 is 8. That's a quick way to divide a number. So we have another one, 2 here. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into 14 is 7. 7 into 7 is 1. For 70, we have 2 here. 2 into 7, it will give us 3. Remainder 1. We place the remainder 1 behind 0, it becomes 10. 2 into 10 is 5. So 35 is not an even number. So can 3 divide it? Let's check. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 8 cannot be divided by 3. So we move to the next number, which is 5. 5 into 35 is 7. 7 into 7 is 1. For 182, we pick 1, 2. 2 into 18 is 9. 2 into 2 is 1. For 91, now let's quickly look at it. What can 2 divide 91? No. What about, can we check whether 3 can divide it? 9 plus 1 is 10, so 3 cannot divide 91. Okay. Since 3 cannot divide 91, and this number does not end with 5 or 0, so 5 cannot divide 91. Okay, let's look at the next number, 7. 7 into 9, let's check. 7 into 9, it will go once. Remainder 2. Place the remainder 2 behind 1, it is 21. 7 into 21. 7 into 21 is 3. So we have 13 here. So we will write 13 again because 13 is a prime number. It takes a prime number to divide a prime number. So 13 divided by 13 is 1. So for 56, we have 1 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 7. For 70, we have 1 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 5, multiplied by 7. For 182, 1 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 7, multiplied by 13. Okay, our HCF, therefore, HCF, let's look at it. We have 1 here, we have 1 here, we have 1 here. So we're picking 1. We have 2 here, we have 2 here, we have 2 here. We are picking 2. We have 2 here, we don't have 2 here, we don't have 2 here. We have another 2 here, no 2 here. We have 5 here, no 5 here, no 5 here. Okay, we have 7 here, we have 7 here, we have 7 here. So we place our 7. So therefore our HCF, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. So the HCF, or the highest common factor of 56, 70 and 182 is equals to 14. I would like my wonderful viewers to try these questions on the board. We have number 1, which is the HCF of 6, 9 and 18, 12, 16 and 18, 34, 102 and 170. And don't forget to send your answer in our comment section. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye-bye.